Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Alexa blue-green light keeping spinning, drop-in updates and network fix. Fix 1 is force a restart power cycle. Unplug the power cord from the back of the Alexa device or the wall outlet. Then wait for exactly 30 seconds. Then plug the power cord back in. Allow the device to reboot. Second fix is disconnect active connection. Green light indicate the device is in a call or drop-in session. To end the call, say Alexa hang up or Alexa stop. Check the Amazon Alexa app setting to disable drop-in feature. Disabling drop-in can prevent accidental activation. Third fix is allow time for update. A rotating blue light indicates the device is booting up or installing a software update. Wait for about 15 to 20 minutes to see if the update complete. The light should disappear once the update is finished. Fourth fix is power cycle or Wi-Fi router. A spinning blue light without a cyan accent indicate the device is attempting to connect to Wi-Fi. Unplug both the Alexa device and the Wi-Fi router, then wait for 30 seconds before plugging the router back in. Once the Wi-Fi network is fully online, plug the Alexa device back in. Fourth fix is perform a factory reset. Echo Dot, 3rd, 4th, 5th gen, and Echo Pop. Press and hold the action button for 20 to 25 seconds, then wait for the light ring to turn off. Light ring will then turn orange. Device will enter setup mode. Echo 2nd generation and Echo Studio. Press and hold the microphone off and volume down button simultaneously for 20 seconds until the light turn off or on again. Echo with the screen, Echo Show. Press and hold the mute and volume down button for 15 seconds until the Amazon logo appear. Thanks for watching.